Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner 2019 Dodge Charger RT sedan with the remainder of its factory warranty. This unashamedly big, bold and brash HEMI 5.7-litre V8 rear-wheel drive is not only aggressive, muscular and brimming with street appeal, but it is also well equipped with all of the high-tech essentials that the driver of today demands. However, if you are looking for a sensible, fuel-efficient, prudent vehicle that blends in with other cars, then you're probably going to want to scroll on past this video, because this one is loud, proud, powerful and fast, and boasts a thunderous exhaust note. If you want the classic hot rod performance with today's high-tech features, then this is your car. The cabin of this RT trim is sporty, spacious, and the Dodge U-Connect system is one of the best in its class, with a fast response to inputs and excellent voice controls. This one comes with Bluetooth, rear camera with rear parking sensors, 8.4-inch touchscreen with performance pages, dual USB ports, keyless entry and ignition, a power-adjustable driver's seat, premium upholstery, dual-zone climate control and an upgraded 6-speaker sound system with satellite radio. The exterior features 20-inch wheels and RT suspension and styling enhancements. To see the full specifications on this particular model, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. We invite you to come and experience the rear-wheel drive thrills of this all-American muscle car for yourself. With blistering acceleration, impressive handling, a sweet exhaust note and powerful performance, this one is guaranteed to put a grin on your face. You will find the steering is well weighted and it is also remarkably well-mannered for city driving. It is rare to find a high-performance car that is also livable by daily driving standards. A car that looks, feels and drives this well will not be on the lot for long, so don't miss out. Come see how easy it is to drive, sign and buy at Luxury Motorsports. Luxury Motorsports is open 7 days a week. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.